Let's solve this together. It says 5 raised to the power x plus 5 raised to the power x is equal to 15. We are required to solve for the value of x in this question, okay? And the first thing we can do here is to say that because this is the same number, we can add these two together. So 5 raised to the power x plus 5 raised to the power x can give us 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power x, okay? Now this is equal to 15. Now, 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power x can be divided by 2, and this side can be divided by 2. So that we had as 2 strikes 2 out, so that we are left with 5 to the power of x to be equal to 15 divided by 2. Now we can say let's take the logarithm of both sides. So we say the logarithm of 5 to the power of x will be equal to the logarithm of 15 divided by 2 in bracket like this, okay? Now this logarithm we're going to take to make it easier for us and to make our work straight to the point. We're going to take the logarithm in the base of the number carrying x. The number carrying x here is 5. So we take logarithm in base 5 of both sides. When you have logarithm of a raised to the power of b, it's equal to b multiplied by logarithm of a. Applying the same law here, we're going to have that this becomes x multiplied by logarithm of 5 to the base 5 is equal to, when you have this other one, you can say, okay, so we can say that logarithm of a over b is equal to logarithm of a minus logarithm of b. Applying this law here, we're going to have that this becomes, okay, so this now become logarithm in base 5 of 15 minus logarithm in base 5 of 2. Okay, now logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. 1 times x is x to be equal to logarithm in base 5 of 15 can be expressed as logarithm in base 5 of 5 multiplied by 3 minus logarithm in base 5 of 2. Okay, now logarithm in base, when you have, just like when you have division, you subtracted. When you have multiplication, you add. Okay, so we're going to have that this is equal to logarithm in base 5 of 5 plus logarithm in base 5 of 3 minus logarithm in base 5 of 2 to be equal to x, right? Finally, our x here will become equal to logarithm to base 5 of 5 is 1 plus logarithm to base 5 of 3 is minus logarithm to base 5 of 2. Okay, so this becomes the final answer for x in this question. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video. Peace.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.